given one some Tamil quote you have said. So I want you to repeat here because that was really touched my heart, and it was somewhere related to even my own life as well. So can you please throw light on that?
Sure, doctor. I was, I think, barely 6 years old or seven. I can't remember the exact age, but I was very, very young. I was, I think, in standard one. So what must have been my age, 5 or 6 or something. And my mother was a fantastic dancer, Bharatnatyam dancer. The story goes, my father met her on a dance stage in one of her performances, and my aunt and my grandmother went and, got her married to my father. So she had done 150 or some odd stage show or 300 stage shows, and then she became a teacher, and I think she did 150 arangetrams, debut performances for young girls. That was my mother. So when I was born, my mother's dream was to make me a great dancer and make me eventually, because I come from Hema Malini ji's house, everybody thought that I will, it was like spoken in a very funny way. What, you don't talk to a 5-year-old child that you're going to be an actress, but it was just understood that, oh, you're going to be an actress like Hemu, like Hema ji. And then my mother would be like, oh, I'm going to make her a dancer. So there were a lot of, beautiful ambitions and goals and talks pinned around me. But when I was about 5 or 6, I had a very bad fall. We were living in Delhi at the time, and I fell down from the top of the slide. And my femur bone, my thigh femur, it not only cracked, it broke, and it completely broke. So I was taken to Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi, where I was put on those pulleys and traction to, bring the bone back into place. So I was in the hospital for 6-8 months.
Oh.
And the doctor told my mother, the doctor told my parents that your girl may never walk properly. She may always have a little limp. Then even when I came home, I was in a cast. And so basically 1 whole year, I repeated the class. And 1 whole year it took me to heal. After you take out the cast, after 8-10 months, the leg had become very thin because the muscles had all gone away. So to gain the muscle. So there was a whole process of 1 whole year of completely in bed. And the doctor said, your daughter may not walk properly again. She will always have a limp. Now, with this kind of a shock in my mother's heart, who thought that this child is born to be a dancer, this child is born to be an actor, and now the doctor is saying, we'll have to see. You can imagine the trauma of the mother. But my mother, there was a famous line which I remember of my mother's. She always said, in translation, in Tamil, she said, Talaki vandadu tarpaloda pochu. But the translation of that means something grave danger was coming to you. And what came for the head went away with the leg. So even in that, in this disastrous moment, in this most despair feeling that, oh my God, is my daughter going to walk properly again? Will she be a dancer? Well, in all those grief and in all those troubled moments, my mother often said, thank God, what came for the head went away with the legs. Exactly. So that positive message that I grew up as a child, I truly feel, yes, I do a lot of work on positivity on myself today. I listen to wonderful talks and people and who are, talking about the mindset and all of that. But I think positivity and happiness, I don't know if I'm right, but this is my understanding. Positivity and happiness is also a genetic gift that your parents, I just feel that, yes, I train myself to be positive. I train myself to uplift myself, but I think it's a gift from my mother and my father to see life in a positive way. And that is why I always try to be, as happy as a human can be. We are all human beings. We have our negatives, but as happy and as I like to correct myself, because if this is what I got from my mother, I would like my children to get that from me. Exactly. So this is my mother's famous words, that what came for the head went away with the legs. Even though it was a terrible 1 year, 1.5 years of feeling, my mother still had a way of looking at it positively.
Correct, man. This is really touching story, and similar way why I have asked you to share this, because similarly I also met with an accident, but that accident happened when I was very young. Means when every girl dreams about